Flash flood warning!
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for Amelia County in Central Virginia, Chesterfield County in Central Virginia, southeastern Henrico County in Central Virginia, southwestern Powhatan County in Central Virginia, the city of Colonial Heights in Central Virginia, southwestern Charles County in East Central Virginia, Dinwiddie County in South Central Virginia, Nottoway County in South Central Virginia, Prince George County in South Central Virginia, the city of Hopewell in South Central Virginia, the city of Petersburg in South
My
Central
goodness.
Virginia, northwestern Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, northeastern Sussex County in southeastern Virginia.
Ah, you were late.
9 p.m. Saturday. At 2:57 p.m.
This thing's gonna get.
Across the warned area.
This thing will get stopped by the 2-minute limit. Whoa! Whoa! What was that?
Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways,
Did you guys hear that?
underpasses, as well as other and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Petersburg, Dinwiddie, Hopewell, Colonial Heights, Charles City, Glasgow, Crewe, Waverly, Claremont, Virginia State University, Marlborough, Chester, Moseley, Fort Gregg Adams, Amelia Courthouse, Disputanta, Prince George, Nottoway, Burkeville, and Sutherland. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement. This is the Northwest.
That was weird.
Issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Chesterfield County in Central Virginia, southeastern Buchanan County in Central Virginia,
Stop the road.
County in Central Virginia, Central Charles City County in Central Virginia,
W. Issued at 4:19 p.m. The National Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage. Flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas. Market today. Bon Air, Roxbury, Townsville, St. Stephen's Church, King and Queen Courthouse, and Hanover. Turn around. The roads.
President. Deals they show.
Well, we got some flash flood warnings. We got them relaying on the stage near Gorman Radlick. The two WR300s went off. And even the BC370 CRS. I'm hungry. I'm going to go eat some lunch.